Hi guys. Okay, so let's make a chicken katsu. This is the first time I'm making it, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but let's try. So I have enough flour for 2 pieces of chicken. Here I have a chicken thigh for 2 pieces, just to try, and just make sure it dried out first, just as much dry as possible. And then all you do is dip into the flour first. Actually, I forgot one thing. I forgot add salt to it, obviously. Let's see. Hope this is not too late. Maybe I can add salt here a little bit. Alright, anyhow. So dip into the flour, coat it really well, because this is not chicken breast, so it's, you can see it's not really flat. And then I have 2 eggs. Okay. And then this is the Japanese breadcrumb. Actually, you can buy this in the local supermarket in the Asian section. At least here we have Safeway. I'm trying to, no, it's food, so I don't put too much of it. I only have 2. So just trying to coat it thick enough. Alright, so this is my first piece. And then this is the second piece. I'm trying to use this one hand and keep the other hands clean. It can be messy. My rice is ready. Okay. Back. I hope my video is recording this time. Okay. And then breadcrumb. Might just enough for 2. Okay, so I got my chicken breaded. Now I am going to put oil. I'm not gonna deep fry it. You're supposed to put more oil to it. I'm just gonna pan fry it. Hope it's gonna work. I don't know, we'll see. I'm putting this healthier oil into it, but you can just put any kind of oil. Just wait for it to hot. Okay, the pan is getting hot, so let's see. Woo! just want to make sure this is cooked through. Just a little bit. Okay, chicken katsu is ready. I am just gonna cut it. Since this is not chicken breast, so it's not that even, but it looks like it's cooked through. My dog is here. I smell the chicken. Alright. Now, finally, our curry chicken katsu is ready. I'm gonna make a plate out of it. Okay, so this is chicken curry I just made. Yeah. That would be a good homemade chicken katsu curry dinner. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, and I'll post more interesting videos as possible. Have a good night.